Let me take you on a journey that begins with a rich, royal blue velvet and a dream soaked in high fashion drama. Inspired by the legendary Jean Paul Gaultier, I'm creating a corset dress that says, "Yes, I came to serve couture, and no, I will not apologize." First, we lay the fabric down gently, then I arrange the paper patterns, cutting the fabric, trace the darts, added markings, and whispered sweet nothing to the velvet, hoping it behaves. Before sewing begins, I had to clean my sewing machine because we are not just creating a dress, we're creating a legacy, and legacies deserve dust-free tension wheels. Stitch by stitch, the structure starts to take shape. This is where the magic begins. And by magic, I mean a lot of unpicking and ironing. Yes, ironing. Glorious, underrated ironing. It's not just a step, it's the moment your fabric goes from crumpled potato to "Yes, ma'am, I am runway ready." After sewing, I snip along the curve to make sure everything lies flat and lovely, because even fabric needs flexibility like us, human. Now, here's a little sustainable twist. I dug through my fabric basket like a pirate searching for treasure, and I found the perfect black scrap for the lining. Reduce, reuse, serve fashion. It's called being resourceful and fabulous. More sewing, more ironing, more snipping. It's the repetition that builds perfection. These are the quiet steps that carry the heart of the piece. A little tedious, yes, but worth every second. This is where the secret luxury happens. I cut a gold satin by a step, not because anyone will see it, but because I will know it's there. It's for the boning casing, but also for my soul. Then, I attach the boning casings and join the velvet outer fabric with the lining, marrying structure with softness. Time to measure and cut each strip of boning precisely. Each one is slipped lovingly into its satin tunnel, like little soldiers of support, strong, silent, and stylish. At this point, I place the half-finished corset onto the mannequin. She's not ready yet, but ooh child, she's already giving attitude. Now, it's time to create the most iconic element, the cone bra. And guess what? I use my rice cooker lid to trace two perfect circles, because we love drama, but we also love kitchen hacks. I cut each circle into a spiral and carefully glued them onto paper cones. These paper cones are just to hold the shape, not part of the actual corset. Once dry, the result: two perfectly spiral domes of power. I pin the cones onto the mannequin, carefully measuring and adjusting so they sit in perfect symmetry. Because in this house, in Vander Atelier, we believe in balance, especially when it comes to cones. Now, the part that feels the most me, hand sewing. Every tiny stitch is placed with intention and care. For me, hand stitching is identity. It is slow, deliberate, and couture with love. We move to the skirt. I cut, stitch, press, and added a zipper like a woman on a mission. And yes, this skirt is made from scrap fabric too, because sustainability never goes out of style. Now, the noisiest part, hammering in the eyelets. Honestly, I hope my neighbor forgive me, but it's all in the name of fashion. A few taps, a few bangs, and voila! We have corset holes ready for lacing. Finally, I place the finished piece onto the mannequin. Deep breath, everyone. This is the calm before the reveal, the silence before the storm. So, let us see the final result together. She's everything I dream of. Inspired by Gaultier, born from fabric scrap, built with love and a rice cooker lid. Thank you for watching. Bye.